A push from the government to improve the Buffalo public schools. We're learning today about the federal money coming to the Queen City, how much and how the schools here can use it. News 4's Katie Alexander is live at Southside Elementary School, which is where we heard about this grant in the last couple hours. Katie?
Well, Teresa, the $2.5 million grant from the Department of Education will keep the Closing the Gap initiative going at South Park High School and here at Southside Elementary. Those are two of the biggest schools in the Buffalo district, facing some very big challenges.
We have a very high special ed rate. We have a very high poverty rate.
But thanks to the federal grant money, the school can get help to address problems outside the classroom that are barriers to learning in the classroom. It funds partnerships with a number of community organizations and social service agencies to provide a wide variety of support for students and their families, from mentorship and counseling to behavioral health and translation services, to outreach to combat absenteeism and much more.
Schools can't do it alone, and the not-for-profit sector can't do it alone. So here you create a partnership where you're likely to have greater impact.
We're willing to take all the help that people want to give us.
Teresa Shuda has been principal at South Park High School for 14 years. It's a persistently struggling school, one of 25 in the district that are in receivership. And while Shuda sees there's a lot of improvement to be made, she also sees the results that have come from this grant and partnership in the past.
We've had a considerable rate in jump in rate in graduation during the last 6 years. And we know, because we've had a lot of these community services in place, that those are one of the things that we can point to.
So anything that works, colleagues, I want to continue. And those things that aren't working so well, we want to stop.
Now, this is the second time the Department of Education has awarded the local United Way the grant for this program and this partnership with Buffalo schools. And local leaders say they have high hopes that they will get more funding to do things like this in the future, and say they will look at other funding sources if necessary to make that work. Reporting in Buffalo, Katie Alexander, News 4.